South to the pole, Humboldt City. Check it out, man. What's up, man? To the pole, Humboldt City. What's going on? So, what's up? What's going on? Check it out, man. What's going on? City tonight.